Let's break down Surah Ar-Rahman, a truly powerful and poetic chapter of the Quran.
And right at its heart is this powerful question that gets asked over and over again.
It kicks off with God's name, Ar-Rahman, the Beneficent. This really sets the tone for everything.
So what's the very first and greatest blessing it mentions? The teaching of the Quran itself.
Then there's this incredible gift of clear speech. It's what really sets humanity apart. So again, the chapter asks, how could you deny these amazing foundational gifts? Okay, then things get really interesting. The focus shifts to the cosmos and its perfect divine order.
And this idea of submission, it applies to everything, even the stars and the trees.
You see how it connects the balance in the heavens with the need for justice among people? So with all this cosmic order in mind, that central question comes right back at us.
Now, let's look at the earth. It's described as this home just overflowing with good things.
And this is wild. It's speaking to both humanity from clay and the jinn from smokeless fire.
What does that mean? It's about the sun's different rising and setting points during the year. Here's another cool sign of that divine balance. Two seas that meet but don't mix. And out of these same waters, we get treasures for our benefit, like pearls and coral.
So after listing all these blessings from the land and the sea, yep, you guessed it. But then, things take a huge turn, a stark reminder that everything here on earth will perish.
And the only thing that remains, the eternal and majestic presence of God Himself.
But here's the thing, even this is a favor. It means our hardships aren't permanent either. And it all leads to this final warning. A day of judgment is coming for everyone. So, after all that, after seeing all this mercy and power, what's the right response?